It's 10 minutes. What's happening, bro?
Just chilling out.
Chilling out. What are we doing today?
Racing some Hondas.
Racing some Hondas?
Yeah, we got 1, 2, and 3 behind you.
Blur his face. We'll cut that bit out. There you go,
Where's
mate.
Samuel? That's the new thing, is where's Samuel?
There's Samuel.
The funny thing is, I didn't even go film.
What's happening, bro? How are you, bro?
Hello, bro. How you going?
Good yourself? Wiley, what's happening, bro?
We're just doing a bit of tape job.
They say duct tape fixes everything.
She's a bit broken. She's not very happy.
So we've got the owner here, Mo, El Asma, EK Civic. We're going to ask you a few questions, Mo, and you've got to give us a quick rundown.
It's been, first up, I did the B18, I put it on E85, and then I built a high compression K24. Then I did a nitrous K24. That was pretty good. Then I did a turbo K24. Then I did another turbo K24. And then I did this all drive setup.
All right, so for this car, what do you plan on achieving? What do you want to do?
First 799 in a Honda in Australia, and that's it. Whatever else after that is...
So are you going to retire at 799? You're going to start doing a little bit of roll racing or something?
No,
or you're going to...
come for everyone.
Everybody, I come in for everybody. Kill everybody. I'm the champ, I'm the king.
You come for everyone?
Everyone.
Okay.
So you're going to do roll racing?
100%.
What does the car run at the moment?
863.
And that makes it the fastest?
Quickest and fastest all-drive Honda in Australia.
Yeah, all drive Honda, yeah.
In Australia.
And what are the Americans doing at the moment?
7-1.
7-1.
190,
So we're a fair bit
195.
Oh.
Frustrate, bro. Frustrate's the king, bro. So we all built our cars off him, bro.
You know what you do? Just
I'm trying to drop the 60s to 13, 12.
Yep.
They're cutting 1.1s in the States on the same tyres. We did have the slippers set low. So because it's a street night, we had the slippers set to come out really slow. So now it's about half as fast as what it was.
Yeah, okay.
We'll see if it either spins or it grabs, and you know, if it's got a nice 60, we'll go low 8s, I reckon, on the same boost. Alright, so you've got a K20 billet block. We've got a Gatto inlet manifold with 8 injectors.
Yep.
Got some XRP HS79 hoses with Wiggins fittings. I've got a dry sump down there from Daily. Got a custom-made radiator, custom-made intercooler, all of the Wiggins clamps on here. Precision Next Gen 8085. All the PRP gear, so the coil packs and everything, they've been going really well.
These coil packs. I had Andrew from Motive telling me about these.
Yeah,
They're supposed to be really good.
I've never had an issue since I put these on.
Yep.
Besides, they are ugly, but you know.
After they work, they work.
They work, you go fast. Turbo Smart over here with the wastegates, twin 45s. I've got a Turbo Smart fuel regulator down here as well. Got an air shift set up over here with the
So this car's air shifted.
yeah, through the sequential.
What
So-
gearbox?
Quaife, the K series Quaife all drive.
Yep.
Yeah, we've got things like, you know, I put some heat around the clutch reservoirs. Got my wiring harness in there from ProWire. He made all that for me. We got my tillet seat here. I love this thing. Ever since I seen them in RHM.
Tillets, they're the B5s, yeah?
Yeah, I had to get. No wait, I think
Oh no,
they're
they've got the highest sides. And what are they?
Yeah.
B6s?
No.
B5s.
No,
I've
they're
got
not.
the
They've
B5s.
got the
I've
higher.
got B5s. They're
I think
higher.
those are B7s.
B7s,
Yeah. So we've got a Sydney Composites forged carbon dash, 12-inch display, Motec buttons, rotary switches, all the paddle shift stuff under the dash there. If you,
Oh yeah.
yeah, you can see compressors and all that. Roll cage done by Drag Car Fab. We've got a fire suppression system. Oh yeah, my hydraulic handbrake for launching.
That looks like a heavy duty unit.
I've got a parachute release. I'll show you how it works. So when I'm driving, because a lot of people ask me when they see my in-car,
Yeah.
how do you release the parachute? I don't see your hands move. How do you shift gears? So we've got paddles here.
Yeah.
Yep. And then this is the parachute release. So if you zoom in there, near the handbrake, Once I press this button, you ready?
Yeah, go. Oh, no way.
See what I mean?
That is cool.
So you press that.
Wow.
Yeah.
I like that. That is sick.
Sick, yeah? When I'm racing, it's very easy to time the parachute
Yeah.
because you know you're supposed to do it under load.
Yeah.
So I can time it perfectly. That's why my parachute deployment looks really
love
good.
that.
Yeah. So
That's a good bit of gear.
that's a Motion Raceworks kit. I've got a YCP spoiler. Obvious. I've got a custom Stroud parachute with custom colours I've got made.
Yep.
Carbon, all that stuff. Custom built firewall by Car Fab. We've got the fuel tank here, Aftermarket Industries hanger. I think it's called the FC1500 dual Venturi system. Catch can, spill tank, catch, and my oil for my dry sump.
Try some tank.
Yeah. And then I've just got this for stability when I pull the parachute because it's very light in the rear.
Looks good.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you for showing us your car.
No worries. Thanks for looking.
Are you a Honda believer?
Yeah, definitely.
You
Definitely
are?
on the believer.
In which one?
So far, Frog's going good. Frog Racing here.
Yeah.
Wiley, see what Wiley does today. TROLLR's first time out, so we'll see what he does. But we've got some hope. They should go good.
So no GDRs, just all Hondas tonight.
Just all Hondas.
So they're either going to break records or break themselves or something like that,
just
right?
all headaches. I mean Hondas tonight. So we'll see how we go. What do you got to say about Hondas, Jared?
Had one, didn't like it, got rid of it. Back to the Euro styles.
What do you?
Give that back, kid. Euro, get out of here.
What a jumper.
Listen.
Number one for a reason.
Yes, the car just turned off and he thinks he broke an axle.
I doubt it.
He said it felt fast.
Really? Well, that's all the boost out of first gear.
How many pounds is it on?
I don't know up top, but out of the line it had very minimal boost. Hey, ask him, why is he talking shit? He was supposed to race today.
We're supposed to race.
Yeah, so we're very busy at work. Didn't have enough time. I was scared.
Yeah, that's better.
I was very scared tonight.
That's better. Scared of the Hondas.
Scared of the Hondas.
What was the 64?
1.7.
Fuck, that's shit. It did look a lot quicker.
It looked a lot quicker than that, eh?
It looked like
Bites the dust.
Have them talk you into it?
Yeah, Ab talked me into it as he always does. So yeah, I had a bit of a love for K Series. They do some pretty incredible things, so I decided to build my own DC2 Type R.
Yeah.
And just runs a stock K20 crank, aluminium rods, precision turbo, all drive, all the good stuff.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty much a basic setup.
How much power does it make and what are your goals?
It's making 1150 at the moment at the wheels. I'm aiming, like I had high hopes to run 750s later on in the future, but a 790 will be nice in this. So as you can see, cast K20, aluminium rods. It's running the next gen precision 8385.
8385.
8385 next gen, yeah.
Nice.
Looking to pump it up to about 1500 when we dial the car in and fix up the running gear a little bit more.
Yep.
So yeah, but yeah, just running custom fab, pretty standard electric water pump. Yeah, that's really it. Small radiator.
Clutch slipper?
It's hooked up, but we're not using it at the moment because we're having a bit of issues with it.
Yeah.
So it's just going to be me and the handbrake today.
What is that, a Haltech?
Yeah, it's running a Haltech dash, Link
IC7.
ECU, PDM,
Yep.
Quave sequential,
All-wheel drive system.
all-wheel drive system. It's powered by a power factory tuning rear end,
Yeah.
Pro Moly system, so it's 20 pounds lighter than anything else that's on the market. So the whole aim here was to make it as light as possible. So running polycarbonate windows, all that kind of stuff. Got to be weight conscious, man.
So she's light.
Yeah, she's light. She weighs 1125 at the moment. I'm quite heavy. I'm 125 kilos, so looking to get that weight down so we can actually get into the sevens, man.
That's very light.
Yeah.
TROLLR. These are probably one of my favourite number plates. So when you're at roll racing,
Yeah.
the setup was a little bit different. You had like a 68.
So same motor, same everything. I just upgraded the plenum because we weren't getting enough air in. So it had a 6875 making 880 horsepower, and we're breaking some hearts, man.
That was a killer setup.
Yeah, it was. Match street responsive setup. I'm going a little bit against everybody else. I'm running 225 tyres. Looking to keep a street front end. I want to be able to whack the stock wheels on and go for drives. I don't want it too wide or too, you know how you're going. So we're currently running the 225. It's going to be a bit sketchy out there. But we'll start off at 1150 and work our way up.
When you say you want to be different to everybody else,
Yes.
what do you mean by that? Everyone usually runs a wider tyre?
Yeah, so everybody runs like a 245 or 255 tyre, and they run like 13-inch fronts, like with beadlocks. So I'm running with 15-inch rims. So 50mm side profile wall.
Buddy clubs?
Yeah, buddy clubs, yeah. No beadlocks. 2.7 kilos a seat.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Tell them how I'm supposed to be worried about roll racing and HM, we have to jump here. Andy, come here. Tell him how he jumped us.
Did he jump his?
He jumped us, man.
I'll edit the video.
No, don't edit it.
We'll edit the video. We'll put the video in this. But Josh looked down to check if his car was still on.
Man, that car is, yeah, I could officially say I got smoked by HM.
It's a different
Yeah,
setup.
it is, yeah.
It was slower back then.
The time I looked, the car was gone. So, yeah, that's that. Yeah, double the horsepower. So, yeah.
Gun driver. I had to back off.
Yeah.
Can't do too much damage.
That car made you look good, Abby. Made you look like a good driver.
I did. Made you look good.
Hey, it's a lot of car to drive, isn't it? You reckon someone normal could jump in and drive it?
No way.
fucking way.
No way. I unloaded off a trailer once, man, and I was just like, dude. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Definitely.
Gonna get one hit, Joshy.
Oh yeah, that's right. We didn't talk about that. You're not teched.
Not yet. Not tech current moment, but we'll be looking at getting that done as soon as possible. We're going to need it because the brakes are pretty sketchy on this thing.
So Wednesday night, one shot.
Wednesday night, one shot. Hollywood pass, man. So we'll see how we go.
But M&M here, the Lebanese version.
Thank you very much. You're welcome. Thank you. Good luck. Thank you.
Jimmy, the fastest account, man. It's doing, bro. Are you a Honda believer? Be honest. Just be honest.
How you got jumped at roll racing, bro, and you took it very humbly on the chin. Which one? When did I get jumped? Who jumped the... Apparently I jumped the one.
You know what? You missed it because you've taken Teflon's crown for the kangaroo.
Apparently I'm the biggest jumper ever. The car's just quick off the line. These Lambos take forever to get on. I'm at the phone.
That's it. Did you actually jump him?
I didn't jump him. I've got the in-car.
Do you?
Yeah. They've seen the in-car.
So you didn't jump him?
He's getting a new number plate for next month.
When they put the video up side by side, they said he was going too fast. And the speedo sitting at 48 km an hour when he got us.
So did you post a video?
Well, I've posted the Insta one, and I've got the GoPro one showing I got on it at 48k.
Problem is, the light
Really?
They didn't give me the light.
Go green.
So they gave
But they're
me...
saying the light didn't go green because he was going too fast. He wasn't. And then they both got on it together.
So it was a fair race.
I think so.
Tony chased too, didn't he?
Yeah, chases a race.
That's true.
Killer. Fucking drive.
Wow.
Well, I've had him twice now.
Twice.
One time they've said something.
Ah.
What about here? Where? There. Cut mid-run. Where the oil pressure thing is. He's off the throttle here. What are you looking at? He's off the throttle.
Okay, go back. Go back to there.
He's not booted though, is he?
Nah,
Has to get used to it.
Oh no, 2.5 yeah.
Is he?
Yeah, 10.5's a car.
Is he booted?
It will be. Over 140 mile.
What was the mile an hour?
150.
You want time though, you want time.
Radial. First
Bro, that 60 was horrible, I reckon.
Horrible. Hey, what a fucking sick car. 172.
TROLLR's getting booted.
Hey, guess what? That's that's the fastest all-drive Honda in Australia. It beat Mo.
No way.
Mo's quickest.
Ah.
The fastest all-drive Honda.
What did Mo run? 8.7?
86, 167.
167.
Wait, but that was all top end. We don't care about the time. We don't care about the mile per hour. The car's still driving. That's all that matters.
Well done, mate.
Didn't feel that fast.
No?
I'll come back thinking maybe a 9, like high 9. Didn't feel that
If
quick.
you've done that without a shoot, that's cool.
Yeah, that was mad with no shit.
The top end looked fast.
Third gear onwards.
Did your brakes lock up?
No, they went good. I waited a second.
What, show us?
1.6.
Fuck, that's got heaps left in it.
Heaps, yeah. They just spun. But did you see the water patch I went through before it as well?
Oh, you
And
couldn't go around it?
The tyres are brand new, never been even on the road.
They haven't
and
even got
feel
out.
like dusty, like
But they wouldn't have had a heat cycle put through it
yeah,
yet.
nah, never.
Are you a Honda believer?
If they come back like this, it's alright. When they fucking keep braking, you know, you just don't want to believe them.
Is this speedo in miles?
He's happy, eh?
Have a look at that.
Come on, you ready? So just watch the video. Are you gonna record that? Yeah, not me. I'll see you Friday. Street car. Well, there you go. Successful night. Honda's didn't break. Thanks for watching.